In this video we are going to be analysing Meta, so to get straight into it, what are going to be our key resistance levels if we continue to push up, as we're already up over 4% on the day. So our closest resistance to where we are now is at $189. Obviously we're not going to hit that today because that is quite a far off target, but that is our closest resistance as of now. If we continue up and break that, then we have our next standard deviation resistance at 206. Also count though that between these two levels you're going to have a strong resistance at $200 because that is a key psychological level. But if we're able to break over that and push to our next level, that's going to be at $247, and also paired with that you're going to have the $250 psychological resistance. Now if we're able to break that, our next level is quite far off, being at $281, then 304, 357, 362, and our final level at $430. Obviously some of these are very far off, so the key focus as of now is, can we break to this 188? If so, we're able to break over, test it as support, then we could expect a push to 205. And again, the same thing, if we're then able to break 205, come back, test it as support, then we can expect a push to around $250. Now onto the support side of things on Meta, what are we looking at if we continue to pull back? So at $132 we do have our statistical mean on both the 4-hour and the daily, so we could see the stock reverse to this level. However, it is a support level, but not usually one that we would look to buy, and the reason for that is this is where we expect the stock to reverse to in time. And once we come to this level, we don't know, it's a lot more of a gamble really whether it will go up or down from that level, so we tend to wait for it to pick a direction and then trade off that direction. So really, if we're looking to buy Meta, we want to see a break below $132, and then we do have our first deviation support at $75, $55, and then pushing low we have a support at $16.50. Obviously these are actually quite far off from where we are, so the reality of hitting them is probably not all that much. So what can you use as other support levels? So really what we would do closer to the time, if we break below this 132, we will come back and do another analysis video, because we would want to use a shorter term time frame such as the 20-day, which could give us levels then below the 132 support. But you can also just use key psychological levels, meaning the $125, even the 120, the 110, and then obviously the $100 key psychological support. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Meta. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.